Morning guys, welcome to today's video. We are at Oulton Park with MSV Trackdays. Just going to film the day, see how it goes, and just show you what we get up to at a track day with MSV. Let's go have a look. Now already it's 8 o'clock in the morning and some ridiculous things to see, as always at these things. Tested before we start the day, so let's go do that. That's an interesting way of having a garage. Good idea. So we scored an 86 on the noise test, which is not bad. Although the limit is 92, so pretty close. But we're doing sighting laps, so we're just about to head out. So far, good day. MSV have kept everyone updated as to what's going on. So let's go do some laps. Sighting laps complete. The track's amazing. It's a bit damp out there this morning, but obviously kind of to be expected. So I've got stuff in the car that I need to get out of the car, but although I trust people, I don't want to leave it just sat there in the garage. So I'm just waiting for Miles to arrive, so I thought I'd come here so that I can, well, have a wee and probably grab a coffee and then get out on track. It's going to be a good day. So whilst we're waiting for Miles, I thought we'd go do some car spotting. There's some quite tasty stuff here today. Nice 911. There's also a very nice CRX with a wow. So at track days like this, you do get some race teams coming, and there's one here running some supercars. Let's go check them out. Oh my god, look at that. I don't know if you can see that. Is it going to adjust? There we go. Some real racing kind of stuff here. Yeah, I'm going to be out my depth, I think, with the Megane. But you do get some normal cars, which is good. I just want to go and have another look at these two, because oh my god, the Porsche. For those who don't know, the Porsche for me is like the dream. And just look at that. I mean, the Ferrari's nice, but oh, that is a bit of me. So here come the last of the sighting lap guys, and then we can head out and do some laps. with before, but as we started to push on a little bit, it started to slow down. I felt it like slow down in the corners.
Oh.
Won't be a second, we're just full.
Okay.
You always get this first time in the morning, before lunch, after lunch, before we go home.
Yeah, no worries.
What the fuck was the point in that? At least we got a lap time in.
Well, that's lunch over and done with. Time to get out for the afternoon session. So far we've used a quarter of a tank of fuel, but the car's going really well, handled itself absolutely fine. Let's get out there. amazing day today has been. Some absolutely fantastic cars to see. The Ferrari and the Porsche. Oh, the Porsche. Oh, some really nice BMWs, Aston Martins and NSX, which was pretty cool to see. So a huge thank you to MSV, of course, for putting the track day on today at Oulton Park. The track, as always, was absolutely sublime. I haven't driven it for a number of years, but you know, it's nice to be back, and it's nice to be there enjoying this with other people. Had a good couple of run-ins with some Hondas, some other Renaults, some Porsches and some BMWs. Just had a blast, but ready for home. So I got to stop for fuel. Used 3/4 of a tank today, and could have gone for more, but didn't really want to pay Oulton Park's fuel bill. So we'll stop on the way home, do some food shopping, and get back. So thanks for tuning in today, and I'll catch you on the next one. Catch you in a bit.